It's an assignment on exceptions in Java. And in Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of a program during runtime. Java provides a structured mechanism using try, catch, finally, and throw to handle these errors, ensuring that the program does not crash. So this is the first example I went through that will print a syntax error when your program runs into an exception. So running the code in this syntax error because we divided the integer by 5, which is an arithmetic exception. So an example will be, now let's see. So if I'm to remove this block of code from there, okay, let me make it on. Say the amount 5 divided by 0. I'll get this block of code saying I have an error. It can't handle this. Yeah. So that's when you use the try and catch. Use the try and catch to solve this problem. At least your program doesn't give you an error but runs to completion. So taking this out, yeah. So an example using another example, which will be uh, receiving a user input. Okay, like this. Receiving a user input. Sometimes when you're receiving a user input, the user can enter something different that he's supposed to enter. And using try and catch or exception handling can also take care of this situation. So this the block of code. The try goes through the inputs, and if there's an error, the catch will print out this message or this. So running the code. So enter an integer and let's say enter a string. Input wasn't a number, which is an input mismatch exception. Yeah. And also you can use the finally to print out a code when the code runs to completion, say completed. Yeah, and there's it completed using finally. So after the code has run and everything, this comes out regardless. Yeah. So trying one more time with input mismatch. Code completed. Yeah. A basic a basic, let me say, program that I coded will be finding the area of a circle. Find the area of a circle. Yeah. So I use two different instances. The area of a circle, and this is the formula, and this is my main JavaScript. Sorry, this is my main code for the Java. So here I implemented constructor, a constructor that whenever the code runs, it implements the try catch everything. And here I use a method that will return the area of the circle by taking the radius, which the radius is in the main file here. So whenever there is an input mismatch, which will be mainly an input mismatch because there is no division, which will lead to a syntax error or arithmetic exception, but also this exception right here brings out if there is any mismatch, syntax error or anything, this runs. But basically, this catch one will run because it will be mainly input mismatch. So running the code. So for the radius, let's say 2, and there's it. So now I'm trying the exception handling. So it's run input. Right. So that's it for my assignment. And thank you.